Dear friends, we have arrived in Prague for a 2-day visit. In this video, I'm bringing you the highlights of day 1 of our tour. Prague is the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic and the historical capital of Bohemia. Situated on the Vltava River, Prague is home to about 1.4 million people. The city has a temperate oceanic climate, with relatively warm summers and chilly winters. Prague is a political, cultural, and economic hub of Central Europe, with a rich history and Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architectures. It was the capital of the Kingdom of Bohemia and residence of several Holy Roman emperors. Prague is home to several well-known cultural attractions, many of which survived the violence and destruction of 20th century Europe. Since 1992, the historic center of Prague has been included in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites. We first visited the Old Town Square. It is a historic square in the Old Town quarter of Prague. The square is located between Wenceslas Square and Charles Bridge. The square features buildings belonging to various architectural styles, including the Gothic Church of Our Lady Before Teen and the St. Nicholas Church. Prague Horloge is a medieval astronomical clock mounted on the Old Town Hall. I will bring you a separate video on our visit to this amazing astronomical clock and the Old Town Hall. The clock was first installed in 1410, making it the third oldest astronomical clock in the world and the oldest one still in operation. The square's center is home to a statue of religious reformer Jan Hus, who was burned at the stake in Constance for his beliefs. This led to the Hussite Wars. The statue, known as the Jan Hus Memorial, was erected on 6th July 1915 to mark the 500th anniversary of his death. On 3rd November 1918, a Marian column that had been erected in the square shortly after the 30 Years' War was demolished in celebration of independence from the Habsburg Empire. The column was re-erected in 2020. This trdelník, or the chimney cake, is very popular in Prague. It is a kind of spit cake made by depositing layers and layers of dough on a cylindrical spit and then covered in sugar and baked on an open fire. Another unusual thing in Prague is these shops selling stuff that includes cannabis. You can see many shops around the Old Town Square that sell these products. However, cannabis in the Czech Republic is illegal for recreational use, but personal possession has been decriminalized since 1st January 2010, and medical cannabis has been legal since 1st April 2013. In the afternoon, we arrived near the Charles Bridge. It is a medieval stone arch bridge that crosses the Vltava River in Prague. The bridge's construction started in 1357 under the auspices of King Charles IV and finished in the early 15th century. Then we took a 1-hour boat tour in the Vltava River. I will bring you another separate video about this boat tour and the Charles Bridge. After the boat tour, we went to see the building called the Dancing House and the sculptures called Hanging Woman and Man with Umbrella. While we were returning to our hotel, we saw some interesting street performances. While inviting all of you to enjoy those, let me end this video. I will see you next week with another amazing video on beauty of the world.